Hello and welcome. In this video, you will learn about records in the library search engine. When you perform a search in the library search engine, you will receive a list of results like this one. This list includes a short preview of each search result. You can access the record for each result by clicking on the image or the linked title. At the top of this eBooks record is basic publication information like title, author or editor, publication date, publisher, and summary. Before diving into a book, read the summary to see if it is useful for your project. Beneath that, there is more information, including the series the book is a part of and the table of contents. The table of contents lists the title of each chapter and is another great place to decide if a source is helpful. There is also a list of subjects, which can provide you with related subjects. Always check these subjects to see if they contain any keywords related to your topic that you might have missed. You can then use those keywords in your next search. You can also find all the information you need to create correct citations on this record page. To access an item, click the blue button on the right side of the page. Now, let's look at a scholarly articles record because there are some differences. Once again, click the linked title or the image. We can see that this article is peer-reviewed, which is often a requirement for your sources. And again, we have a summary. The summary might also be called an abstract. The summary or abstract briefly covers everything in the article, so you should always read it. From reading this summary, I can tell this is a good article if I am critiquing student loans. But it's probably not as useful if I am trying to find specific facts about student loans in the United States. Here again, we have a list of subjects, which might provide good keywords for future searches. We also have a DOI, or Digital Object Identifier. The DOI is a permanent link to the article, and you should include it in your citations of scholarly articles. Once again, to access this article, simply click the blue button and choose any of the available links. They all lead to the same article, which appears in several of the school's databases. And those are the basics of the record pages. If you have any questions, please contact the library.